What's up, my Jensealesns? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to have our simple life hack, and this life hack is called a 3-layer fruit tray.
Sometimes we are struggling finding our ingredient that piles up just in one basket with other fruits and vegetables, so here's
Simple life hack.
First is we need this carton with 4 sides, serve as its stand. Next is this empty can, cut into 2, and then cover it with a foil so that it will match with our first layer. We have this unused plate for a second layer and a cap of a can for third layer, and stick it together with a glue stick, and ta-da! Our 3-layer fruit tray. Now we can put our fruits and vegetables also to be organized in our tray and not just piled up in a basket. From this to this. This will help our fruits and vegetables to be organized and clean.
So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy and you like my simple life hack, my 3-layer fruit tray. So what are you waiting for? Make yours now! Bye!